We know that this if statement is paired with this else statement because it's on the same level of indentation. Now, that's not completely true from the language point of view. From the language point of view, the reason that this if statement is paired with this else statement is if I click right here on this little curly brace, you'll see that this curly brace down here is highlighted. That means that this curly brace is paired with this curly brace. But for readability to a human, it's very important that we have proper indentation so we can clearly see that this if statement is paired with this else statement. Because there's a bunch of other if and else statements here, and it might get confusing knowing which one is paired with which, but because we have indentation, we can easily see that. Now, if they did not enter a valid number, then we can go ahead and tell them that they've typed an invalid input. And then once we do that, we just continue the loop. Now watch what happens when I click on this curly brace. If I scroll all the way up, we'll see that the curly brace on the while loop is highlighted. That means if we hit this else statement, we'll write out some console output, we will end the if statement, then we'll end the while loop. And when a while loop ends, it jumps all the way to the top, checks the condition, and will execute again if the condition is true.